Did you know one tiny phrase can make you sound friendly instead of rude in English? Meet Kenji. He's at a party and he's trying to make conversation. He turns to someone and says, "You like this music?" The person looks a little uncomfortable. Kenji tries again. "You're coming to dinner?" Now they look almost offended. His friend Mia pulls him aside. "Add a question tag," she says. "Watch." Mia turns to the same person. "You like this music, don't you?" The person smiles and starts chatting. "You're coming to dinner, aren't you?" Now they look excited. So what's a question tag? It's a short phrase you add to the end of a sentence. Don't you? Aren't you? Isn't it? Right? These little phrases do something amazing. They turn a flat statement into a warm, friendly invitation. They say, "I'm including you. I want to hear what you think." In Japanese, this feeling often comes from tone alone. In English, question tags carry that feeling for you. Try it today. You've got this, haven't you?